What I wish I knew about the Gospels and Acts, you're about to find out in 60 seconds. First up, Matthew, our tax collector turned apostle. Matthew focuses on Jesus as the promised Messiah, quoting the Old Testament like it's going out of style. If you love prophecies, Matthew's your guy. Now Mark, shortest gospel, but don't let size fool you. Mark's all action, no fluff. Jesus is the suffering servant, always on the move. It's like a highlight reel of miracles and teachings. Then we have Luke, the doctor and historian. Luke gives us the most detailed account, emphasizing Jesus' compassion and inclusivity. Think parables, healings, and epic storytelling. John, oh John, the poetic one. John's gospel dives deep into the divinity of Jesus. It's all about light, life, and love. Totally different vibe from the other three. And finally, Acts. Written by Luke, it's like the sequel we all needed. Acts chronicles the early church, the Holy Spirit's power, and the adventures of Peter and Paul. It's the bridge from Jesus' ministry to the apostles' missions. So there you have it, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. Each unique, each vital. Keep these differences in mind next time you dive into the New Testament. Happy studying, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos.